Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Plants versus Brainrots update, which is the vaulted event. So here, if you view update log, here it's the vaulted event. So there's this like key Lena to reveal clue tiles, and plant on question mark tiles for clues. So basically go back to your garden and you will be able to see like question marks on your tiles. It's going to like spawn in different locations like every few minutes. I actually don't know, but you don't actually have to plant on it. Just like get like a plant, shovel it, and you're just going to put it back. So let's see which one. This one, and then you'll get a clue. It says clue found 2 out of 24. So you'll need to plant like essentially 24 times. It says 25 here, so I'm not sure, but you'll open the vault and get these items: the Gatos Beyond, disguise glasses, and the Agent Bonsai seed. Later this will open. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, there's another one. I'll show it to you guys. Just pick up a plant and place it back. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.